हाय फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी। आई एम श्योर फिट एंड फाइन होंगे। आज के पॉडकास्ट में मैं आपकी होस्ट एंड दोस्त ऋचा भाटिया एक बार फिर से आप सभी का तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ। और दोस्तों, आज के पॉडकास्ट में बहुत ही ख़ास एक्सपर्ट हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं जो हमें बताने वाले हैं कि हमारे लिए नींद कितनी ज़रूरी है, हमारी बॉडी के लिए नींद कितनी ज़रूरी है, खुश रहने के लिए नींद कितनी ज़रूरी है, और अगर आप ठीक से नींद नहीं ले पा रहे हैं तो उसके क्या क्या कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस हो सकते हैं, आपको क्या क्या दिक्कतें आ सकती हैं, किस तरह से आपकी जो ज़िंदगी है वो इधर उधर हो सकती है। तो आइए बिना देर किए उनसे बात करते हैं और आज इस टॉपिक के बारे में थोड़ी और जानकारी लेते हैं। First of all, warm welcome, sir. So before we start the conversation, can we get a small introduction of yours?
Yes, my name is Dr. Prashant Chaudhary. I am a consultant psychiatrist and I practice from Mumbai at Bandra and Lal-Bagh.
That's nice. It's nice that you're here. So we are talking about sleep cycle,
Yes.
insomnia, right? So it is said that 8 hours sleep is must. So do you think is it relevant in today's busy lifestyle?
To that, I would like to say that sleep is not about arithmetic. It's about architecture. So we can't just be like, okay, some people come to us and say that, oh, I sleep at 4 a.m. and then I complete my 6 hours quota and then I wake up and I feel fresh. I tell them that you are actually incurring a loan on your sleep. मतलब मैं उनको बोलता हूँ कि आपके ऊपर ना नींद का कर्जा चढ़ते जा रहा है. Until your brain can handle it, it will handle it. But after a particular time, if you break that rhythm and cycle, it is not going to help you.
Right.
So the point is, this 8 hours sleep is a oversimplification. Like you can't say that heart rate of 72 is normal because 70 is not low and 73 is not high. There is a range 60 to 100, right? Even if there is a range 60 to 100, 58 is automatically not low and 101 is not automatically high. So in biology, we cannot go by arithmetics. We have to go look at the architecture of things.
Right.
And that is true for sleep as well.
That's good. That's good. So how much does screen time really matter if I use a blue light filter?
That is another myth. The blue light filter is another myth that has been propagated, and I think someone just recently filed a case against these blue light filters as well, and they won it because see how the light started. When we were cave dwellers, we used to have fires outside the caves, right? And any natural fire has all the spectrums of light wavelengths, including blue light, yellow light, you name it. Okay, so if you say that this blue light is damaging the sleep architecture, you're wrong. Any light will actually delay the release of the melatonin, which is at the circadian time. It should release at the time of around sunset. So this blue light thing is just a fad, and there is no such thing as blue light filter. Light is a problem.
Right. So as you know that we have the most population as a working
Right.
people. So many working people, they say that they feel constantly tired or stressed. So do you think it is something related to sleep cycle?
It is indeed related to sleep cycle because we cannot, like I just gave the example about the cave dwellers. They used to go back in their caves at the time of sunset and come out only after sunrise. Now that is the natural rhythm that we are supposed to maintain. Now that is what probably millions of years of evolution has taught the brain.
Right.
But last few thousand years we have completely changed the game.
Right.
Now we are not living in the caves. We cannot go back to living in the caves. We are living in our building safe. We are not threatened by the wild animals, and we do not sleep by 6 p.m. It started when the fire first was discovered, when we started staying out of the caves for a little longer. Then came the light, then came the television, and now we have our phone, which is like this on the top of us while we are trying to sleep. So what I would like to say is that this wired and tired thing is ingrained in these habits. It is also ingrained in the way that we live as a society. Now if you are working on American time, there are so many of my patients who are working on American time, so they start their shift at 6 p.m. and end their shift at 3 a.m. and then they are sleeping.
Right.
Then there are some people who are doing night duties, right? we cannot just say that everyone will sleep at night, because that is not how society can function. But we have to respect the circadian rhythm. We have to understand what it is doing to our body. If that many night duties is causing some health troubles, we have to identify that, take help for that, and maybe take care of your health in a better manner, so we can sustain through these living conditions that are there today, which are also making us survive, unlike being in danger in jungle, right?
Right.
So that's what I would like to say about it.
So it's nice talking to you. Thank you so much for sharing all the important information
Thank
with
you
us.
so much
Thank
for
you.
having me.
Thank you.
Yes.
तो दोस्तों आज के इस पॉडकास्ट में हमने बात की नींद ना आना, और अगर आपको भी ऐसी कोई दिक्कत है तो उसका ट्रीटमेंट लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है। अगर इसे अनट्रीटेड छोड़ दिया जाए तो क्या क्या दिक्कतें हमारी ज़िंदगी में आ सकती हैं, वो सब कुछ हमारे एक्सपर्ट ने बताया। तो स्लीप हाइजीन ज़रूर अपनाइए ताकि आपकी ज़िंदगी बेहतर हो सके। और ये तो बिल्कुल मत सोचिएगा कि अगर आप रोज़ नहीं सो रहे हैं तो आप प्यार में हैं या फिर आपको कोई टेंशन है। ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, ये एक बीमारी भी हो सकती है जिसका ट्रीटमेंट लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है। फिलहाल के लिए आपसे लूँगी विदा। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, फिट रहिए, हेल्दी रहिए। एक ही लाइफ मिली है, एंजॉय कीजिए। सो हैव अ हेल्दी लाइफ।